Hi y'all, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my channel. Have you been here? It's your first time being here? Welcome to my channel. If you've been here with me the whole time, hey, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Welcome back. Today I'm working in my Christmas journal that I'm making, and I think I'm going to use some hot glue. I'm not a hot glue person. I've never hot glued anything on my journals. You know how people have the beautiful ruffles and stuff? I've just never done it. So this will be my first time doing it. Okay, now I bought this thing here. I can't stand this light right here. I'm gonna have to see how to fix that. I bought this here to hold. It's supposed to be to hold the glue gun, but I don't know how it go because it don't seem to want to stay. Maybe it need a bigger one. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna lay that right there for right now. All right, move this out the way. My Christmas journal. I'm gonna go all through Christmas with this journal, and what I decided I would do is try, and I don't like these holes back here. Not on this. I don't like these holes. So I'm gonna use some ribbon. Never did this before. Trying it here with y'all, but hey, I ain't scared. It's gonna work out. That's what creativity is about. Okay, so I'm just putting it through here on the binding. I can make a nice, make it festive for the holidays. Let me move this thing out of the way. Okay. So I got this ribbon right here. I have a lot of ribbon, y'all. I have a lot of ribbon from sales, broad sales, whatever. I got it. So I'm going to try to use this as some decoration on my very first Christmas junk journal. So I'll put that through here like that. And let's see what else I can do. Let's see what else I can get into. I like it like that. I like it showing like that in the back. Hope y'all having a happy holiday season. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving. And so right now, that's all I'm using is, for right now, is the ribbon and the scissors, hot glue, and that's it right now. And some wheel to make this turn out into something. Okay. I've never seen nobody do this. I'm sure you know it's been done, but I just happened to see this and I said, I don't like the way them holes look, so I'm gonna try to make me something pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of this tape. I was telling you about a sale that's going on now. Dollar Tree. I told you I was going to tell you about it in my community post. Okay, Dollar Tree has baskets full of, and it is in other states. Basket full of crafts, the kind of crafts we use, the supplies that we use, the stickers, and so, and the price is 25 cents. So if you need any craft, hey, stickers and and it had the scores. It had everything. So just go by Dollar Tree. And the way I found it was, the basket was in the front, pulled to the side. And I asked the lady, I said, how long is it going to be on sale? She said, well, I don't know. She said, because, she said, look, ain't it cute? She said, I don't know, because she said, when they do take it out of, off the floor, then they're going to send it somewhere, you know, back to it, whatever. I don't know. But anyway, if y'all interested, go see. Okay, if I put this right here, then I can come back right here. No, that's it. That's it there. That's it, that's all. That's it. Nope, I gotta come out. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just tie this up for right now. I'm gonna tie this up for right now because I have 4 more of these to do. All right. And some ribbon. I don't know how this would even hold up to a, this ribbon to a needle. I think I'm gonna have the papers that go in here where I can take them out. I think this is gonna be cute. Let's see. I'm gonna try to not waste any ribbon. Okay, where's the scissors? Let's see. Cut right here. Look pretty red too. Christmas red. Okay. Let's see. Did I put both in there? Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you see, I didn't like the way those holes looked. So I changed the game. The holes will not be seen. So never think you done ruined and messed up something. Not in junk journaling. Okay, let's see. Why is this on the outside? Let's see. I'm going to see if I can just keep going. I might not get to the hot gluing today because I don't want this to be a long video, but I want to see how this is going to come out, and I want y'all to see it too. What I'm doing right here, because this is the first time for me too. It's the first time. It's just doing something different. Okay, Now, am I going? Which one I mean? Okay, that way. I guess I have to come out. Nope. Let's see. I'm on the third hole. Okay, this here should have to go here. Now, this has a wire in it, so you might be able to hook the wire to your needle, your sewing needle. But I'm gonna do this until I can't do it no more, until it tells me to stop. Okay. Now, this it just looks so different from the outside. Okay. Okay, I'm going this way. I'm gonna go this way. Just like this. Cute, huh? Cute, ain't it cute? Alright, let's see. Let's see what's going on now. Okay. I think this big chunk is confusing me. This hunk of chunk is confusing me. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna go in here. Take this. First time y'all give me some grace. Okay. Now. I want it to look like I'm this right here. That right there. You see something kind of look crooked, but I will redeem myself. I will, make something happen. Because this here is going to end up on the outside. That's about how I want it. This is going to end up on the outside, the ties. But I'm have to, I probably have to, in order to get that, I probably have to, let me see. It's going to have to go back through. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. It has to go over up in here. I don't know why it's on the back part. This is what I'm going to do with this right here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to tie it like this. I'm going to get this out my way. probably make a bookmark with this. I just gotta get it out my way. Miss T and her ideas, baby. Okay. I'm gonna go through here again, but I'm gonna have to get my sewing machine to hook this up to execute this situation. But this is gonna be the gist of it, y'all. This is gonna be the gist of this. But of course, I'm gonna put more ribbon, and this is not gonna be like this. So, all right. So, this is Miss T Ideas working on her Christmas junk journal, and I'll see you next time on the next video, and I'll show you what came of this. Because I'm sure I'm gonna make a lot of books with this ribbon on it, because I like the way it looks. Now, Miss T Ideas, thank you for being here. If you like anything you saw, anything interesting, please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Miss T Ideas, y'all have a happy holiday, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.